Hi guys, welcome back to Cookbook. I'm Komal Bora Shah and welcome to my kitchen. So here I bring to you my most favorite salad recipe. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. It is super yummy and it has the right amount of nutrition value. So let's begin. So I have some romaine lettuce and iceberg lettuce. You can choose any veggies of your choice guys. I have purple cabbage, some coriander, boiled corn, bell peppers, some onions and cherry tomatoes, and I've taken some Australian lemons.
So we're going to start with making our sweet and sour sauce.
So let's begin. In a bowl, I'm going to take in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to take in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of honey. You can even add 1 or 2 depending on your preference, that's okay. Instead of honey, you can even add powdered sugar, it tastes really good. But since we're going for a healthy option, I like to add honey. Adding in half teaspoon of red chili powder. And then some salt to taste. Now take a spoon and mix it all together.
Our sweet and sour dressing is ready guys. Let's have a taste. It's perfect. Now let's proceed to making the second dressing.
In a bowl, I'm adding half cup of mayonnaise. This is low fat. You can even add hung curd, anything of your choice. Hung curd also is equally good guys. So people who are on diet, you can definitely go for it. Okay, and then I've added some ketchup and some onions. Adding in some chili sauce. Some salt to taste. Some coriander. I'm adding some oregano and I'm mixing it all together. This dressing is super versatile guys. It can be used in sandwiches, as a dip. I personally don't like getting packed dressings from outside as they claim that it is really healthy and of low fat, but I'm sure there are a lot of preservatives and everything. But when your dressing is as simple as this and when you know all your ingredients are easily available in your kitchen, it hardly takes in any time to prepare. I'm going to start chopping my lettuce in a bite size. So beginning with romaine lettuce. I love the texture romaine lettuce adds to the salad. And also guys, I forgot to tell you, I had soaked the lettuce in ice cold water as it remains crunchy. So make sure you guys always do this whenever you cut your lettuce. Before that, make sure it is dipped in cold water so that it remains super crunchy. And moving on to the iceberg lettuce. And likewise, we're going to start chopping them in bite size. It is super important to cut your lettuce in a bite size because I'm sure whenever we've ordered salad from a restaurant and the lettuce is too big and messy to eat and it's not a pretty picture, so make sure you get this right guys. And let's transfer this into a bowl. Taking in my purple cabbage. Taking in my corn. It's already looking colorful, right? So I always think a salad should be very colorful. So it is super exciting to eat. I normally make my salad as colorful as this. My onions, my bell peppers. Chopping in my cherry tomatoes. And we've reached the exciting part. I'm going to drizzle some sweet and sour sauce and the mayonnaise. Guys, initially make sure you don't add too much of your dressing. Maybe add 1 or 2 tablespoons and then taste it according to your preference. Then go ahead with adding, because I always feel less dressing is always better. And with the help of 2 spoons, I'm just going to toss everything together. Toss it well, guys, because the dressing that we've added now has to be properly incorporated. I usually love adding both these dressings together in my salad, and I promise you guys, it is going to take your salad to a next level. And then squeeze in some lemon. And voila, our salad is ready, guys. It is as simple as that, guys. And when you have your veggies and greens cut and your dressing is ready, keep them in the fridge for a few hours, and when you have to serve them chill. And yeah, you just have to toss everything up, add your dressing, and it is ready. Do give this a shot. I'm sure you're going to love the idea of 2 dressings adding in your salad, as it's going to take your salad to a next level. I hope you did enjoy watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.